Hey guys.
So we are on our way to go hike to Cummins Falls.
Why am I always in the same outfit?
I don't know, maybe you should buy some new clothes.
It costs money. Anyways.
So we're on our way to Kentucky, actually. That's our end goal. But before then, we're gonna go hike to a waterfall, and we're slightly concerned.
We're going to Cummins Falls in Cookeville, and they're
calling for rain, and they will close the gorge if it rains because of flash flooding. So they don't usually update their Facebook page until the minute they open, which is the minute we're gonna be there. So
we're gonna find out as soon as we get there, probably, not before.
But this isn't like out of the way or anything for our route, so
no, it's on the way, so we might as well make a pit stop and see what's going on.
And if we can't, we will try to do another waterfall.
$2.95 for gas?
All right. Hopefully we will see you guys at the waterfall.
See you there. Bye. Hi.
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Y'all been here before?
Yes. We have. Yep, we have our shoes. Yep.
Tuesday. Awesome. Okay. So I'll just kind of tell you what we're doing.
So we made it. We're at Cummins Falls, at the gorge leading up to it, rather. I'm walking to the water. Erica's taking advantage of the fact that there's land right now to walk on. It's like 70 degrees. I don't know about the water temperature, but it feels really good.
What?
Cicade.
Are you kidding me? These are never ending. I am so sick of that.
There are cicadas. There are like a trillion of them in our backyard, but they have
apparently they're in Cookeville too.
Wow.
All I can say. It seems as though it's come to an end. We gotta go win. It's cold. It's a little rapidy. I gotta make it across. I gotta backtrack to where Lex is because I can't cross this. This is a little intense.
So the river is at a level 3 right now, which means basically some currents are swift and there's some knee-deep river crossings, and then we're not allowed to swim at the base of the falls, unfortunately, just because of the dangerous rapids. So we're one level away from them closing this whole gorge altogether. And since it might rain, there's definitely some flash flooding that's possible. So we're gonna enjoy it while it's still open. We are almost there. All right, we made it through all the river crossings. How many times did you cuss, Erica?
Just a few, just a handful.
Few. And I love walking through water, but Erica is so like, she's just such a trooper for doing this with me. So
She makes me do things.
I make her do things that push her out of her comfort zone. I'm such a bad wife. We are almost to the falls, rounding the corner. We will see you there.
Yeah. I'm on a rock. I'm on a rock.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my.
This is real time here. You're real time here. Okay. Obviously, I led us astray here. I'm gonna use my other hand.
Professional. You go. Go on.
I'm gonna just stop recording.
Yeah, back in action.
Nice view for you.
Yep. Let her rip. Oh, everything's so cold.
So, I think we took the deepest route possible.
Why are you leading us? Well, I don't want to lead us. So.
I know. All right, one more river crossing.
Dry. No,
My sandal's stuck. Hold on. How wet are you right now?
Or something else. I am soaked.
Well, last time when we were going to the falls, we did like knee-high crossings. That was a waist-high crossing that I took us through. Sorry about that. Oops, my mistake. So
This whole area.
I'm letting Erica decide where we're gonna cross the river.
Well, over there it seems
to get
like
over
it's waist deep.
There.
That side seems sketch.
Hold on, I'm talking.
Nobody cares.
We have to get over there on the other side of land. So
Yeah.
the other side of the river.
Of the
So
land?
where do you propose we cross? We
Actually,
have,
that's not bad.
that has a bunch of rapids, but then we can go here or we can go down where those people are.
That looks really deep over there. But no, now it doesn't. So she just kind of sunk in.
I think we go down there
Where?
where those people are. Don't you?
Right there?
No,
Ow!
over here.
Smack.
Stand by. I'm recording.
I'm on one of the rocks when we get down.
Erica, take my hand. Okay, ready? I am recording. Wow, this crossing is so much better.
I can't see anything. You're murking everything.
I'm murking it up. You're right behind me, so I'm the only one in this shot right now.
I can't see anything. Got this.
That was only about knee deep. Good choice, Erica.
Falling on my face. How awkward can we get? This should be fun with slippery shoes.
Trying to record.
No, hurry.
I love rock scrambles and I love river, so when I get to combine them, I'm just in heaven.
I wish you would just fall on your face right now. I don't know how many minutes is on it to begin with. What?
I'm in the water again and Erica is on land.
Dry, baby.
I'm flying over here. Heading back up out of the gorge. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Woo!
Cold, but whatever.
It's not cold. I'm actually working up a sweat right now.
Oh, that's nice.
Glad you had a good time, Erica. Thanks for doing that for me.
Thank you.
All right, we made it.
One and done.
We're coming back. Getting all the rocks out of your shoe?
Oh yeah, I'll stab you.
All right, that's it for this adventure. If you liked it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for our next video.
Yeah, see you there.